working up on the chest muscles that are restricting the mobility of shoulder as well. We'll do some deep tissue work. We'll try to glide the muscles, bringing some rush of blood, working on the parallel muscles, the biceps, the tricep, the real deltoid. All the muscles need to be opened up to bring a smoother and full of quality movement. You can start from here. So we are today treating the pecs, all the muscles of chest, upper, middle and lower fibers, bringing some rush of blood, improving the circulation.
Oh, this fucking point.
We're trying to release the lats here, opening up the shoulder. It's a big muscle. He has gained a lot of muscle bulk here, the lean muscle mass. It's very crucial to release these muscles for fine and healthy movement. I can literally grab the fibers in my thumb. And my fingers, I can feel those fibers. That's the mobilization of the joint. Okay, pull it again.
Okay, now the feel is much better, especially the range of motion of the shoulder. I feel more little bit the joint is not stabilized, but he said before, maybe it's because it's too tight and now it's open, and then when I do the exercise I reinforce also the deep muscle and more stabilize the shoulder. But much better mobility right now, better feeling.